Hey, it's Alex with Lover Fighter Writer, and this video is going to be 3 ways to earn money online with Convertbox. And actually, these strategies that I'm going to explain are really, you can do them with any kind of pop-up builder. So if you have a different on-site messaging software or pop-up builder than Convertbox, there's a good chance you'll be able to do at least 1 or 2 of these strategies. Some of them require the unique features that are built into Convertbox, such as multi-step pop-ups, but I know that other on-site messaging softwares are starting to offer some of these types of options as well. But I will say that I love Convertbox. I've had it for over a year now. As you can see, I'm getting a little over 100 leads a month on average, and that's just on my blog. I have a separate funnel website that I use, and I get leads there as well. And anyways, so this is what Convertbox looks like in the main dashboard. And I'm just going to show you 3 of my pop-ups, which all work in kind of different ways. So the first 2 here are, one is for a landing page that I'm going to start running some ads to. You can see this is all zeros. I haven't started running ads to it yet. And this one right here, I just added recently, and it's a pop-up on my resource page. And you can see it's getting a really nice conversion rate because it's a button click pop-up. And so that's the first strategy that I'm going to talk about, is using using a button click to activate a pop-up rather than having the pop-up activate based on time on page or based on scroll. So we'll take a look at the inside of it. So if we come in here, basically if someone goes to my resource page, there's a button on the resource page that says join my email list, and if they click it, then this will open. It says welcome to my blog. If you sign up using the form below, I'll send you a book I wrote on email marketing for free. Then I'll email you on occasion with other resources, recommendations, stories, and trainings. So it's just very straightforward and honest, and that's been working really well since I added it. And so they fill out the form, they hit sign me up, and then it takes them to the second step, which just says, great choice, thanks for signing up, blah, blah, blah. And then it offers them to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And actually, if you saw, so far, 8 people have viewed it. 3 of those signed up for my email list. And then of those 3, I can go into the detailed breakdown of statistics here, look at the last step. 2 of those 3 subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm not just getting opt-ins, I'm getting 25% so far of people are subscribing to my YouTube channel, as well as like 37% converting into leads. So button click pop-ups are really powerful because they're less annoying. Like, regular pop-ups that, get in people's face no matter what are effective, but they also have much lower conversion rates, and they can also annoy people and make them want to leave. Whereas if you just have a button on the page and it says, like click here if you want to join my email list, or click here if you want this resource, and then it opens on click, then it has a much higher conversion rate, and it is less likely to drive people off the page. And you can see here, this one is a regular pop-up, and it has just under a 5% conversion rate, which is good for a pop-up, but it's nothing like a 37% conversion rate, which is what I'm getting on this button click one. So that is that. And just to show you an example of this one, this is another button click pop-up that this is the landing page that I'm going to start running some ads to soon. So, I have a little bit of copy here. Got a download now button, I've got images of what they get, and then I've got a little bit more copy and another download button. And when you click on that, it just opens this, and it says almost there. And actually, I'll show you this one on the back end too, because it's kind of neat what I did with this. So it's, it has the form, of course, they opt in, and then it takes them to this next stage in the box where it says, basically it offers them a book that I'm selling. So it says, hey, you're getting some of my resources for free. If you'd like to buy another one, then I'm selling this book for $27. And they can tap this button to go to the sales page, or they can tap this button to get more information. And if they tap view sales page, it closes the box and opens a new window with the sales page. And if they tap this button, it goes to this step where we have information on the book that I'm selling, and then they can click go to the sales page, or they can say no thanks. And if they say no thanks, then it goes to another screen that asks them to subscribe on YouTube again. So I haven't started using this one yet, but I think it'll be really interesting to see how it does when I do start using it. And so that's the first one. Those are button click pop-ups. The next way of using this is just a standard pop-up, which I'll show you right here. And this is actually what they call a two-step pop-up or a two-step opt-in, because it doesn't just start with the form right away. And this is a really good way of reducing spam and also just of increasing click-through rates, because people, they see a button and it's a lot more appealing initially than just seeing a form. And then once they click on that button, that's like a microtransaction, that's a micro commitment to signing up. And then, so I've actually noticed that when I use two-step opt-ins, it can bump the conversion rate up by as much as 1% or 2%, which, becomes a lot over time. So if we take a look at this one, it just says download my free ebook. It's got a picture of the ebook mock-up, and then it just explains what they're getting. Click on download, it goes to the second step where there's a form. And then the third step, this is actually a button that goes straight to my affiliate link for PLR. So I have a special deal with this PLR company where anyone who signs up using my link gets 10 free credits. And so I just tell them about that here, and then there's a button that says get free PLR, and if they follow the button, then they can get some free PLR. And actually quite a few people have been using this button, so it's been a pretty successful one. And so so far we have button pop-ups, button click pop-ups, we have normal pop-ups, and then we have, I call these call-outs. And so this is just, it's like literally just to get a click on an affiliate link, or you can use it for sending traffic to your own products as well, of course. But the point is that if you just use like a banner ad or something, like if you just put an ad on your site, they tend to have like a 0.5 to 1% interaction rate, whereas this right here has a 6% interaction rate. So just to show you how this works, this is just, so videos is a product that I promote, and if you go to the videos review on my blog, then after a while this will pop up and it says ready for videos, or ready to try videos. Did you know video is seeing more growth in online business than any other medium? Text, audio, and images are getting left behind. Stay ahead of the trend. And if they click the button, I don't think I have steps on this one, no. So if they click the button, it just takes them immediately to my affiliate link. And this pops up, I think, let's see. Yeah, so if they scroll 60% or start to abandon the page, then this pops up. And as you can see, it's actually getting a 6% interaction rate or better. And so that just means that this is like 6 times as likely to get a click as just having a link or just having a button or just having an image ad static on the site. So that's very effective for increasing your affiliate click-through rates. The button activated pop-ups are very effective for increasing conversion rates in general, and they just work better in certain situations. And then of course you have your standard pop-up, but with Convertbox you can make it a 2-step opt-in, which is a little bit more effective. All right, so that is 3 ways that you can make money online, either building your list or getting clicks on affiliate links or getting clicks to your product links with Convertbox, or really any other on-site messaging software. But Convertbox is my favorite, and if you want to give it a shot, I've got an affiliate link for it in the description, and I would really appreciate it if you use that. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.